What if I told you that this entire video, the captions, the cinematic text, all of it was edited by AI for free in under 2 minutes? No Premiere Pro, no After Effects, no editing experience needed. Today I am showing you exactly how I used Google Flow's brand new Omni model to take a single AI generated clip and turn it into something that looks like it came straight out of a content agency. Let's get into it. First, I open Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. Click on New Project and I'm going to rename this one to Video Edit just so it's easy to find later. Now here's the setup. Normally you'd upload your own footage here. Any video you already have works perfectly fine. But since I want to show you the full process end to end, I am going to generate a sample video first. So I switch the mode to video generation, select ingredients, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, quantity to 1, and for the model I pick Omni Flash. I set the duration to 10 seconds. Keep an eye on the credit cost here. This one's going to use 15 credits. And remember, if you're on the free plan, you get 50 fresh credits every single day. So this won't even use a third of your daily limit. Next, I paste in the generation prompt. This describes exactly who the character is, a friendly animated young man, his appearance, what he is wearing, the background, and, most importantly, the exact line he is going to say. Writing the dialogue directly into the prompt means VO handles the lip sync automatically, so you don't have to sync anything manually later. I click generate and in under a minute, the clip is ready. Take a look at this.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is basically teaching computers to think, learn, and make decisions the way humans do, by recognizing patterns and getting smarter from experience.
The lip sync is honestly really clean and the character looks consistent and natural. This is now our raw footage, the one we are going to edit. Now let's talk about the editing prompt because this is really the heart of this tutorial. I'm telling Omni to transform this raw clip into a premium social media style edit, but I'm also explicitly telling it to preserve the original speaker, the original audio, and the shirt color exactly as they are so the model doesn't accidentally change its appearance while editing. Then I ask it to generate accurate subtitles directly from the spoken audio, word for word, written in plain English text, no paraphrasing. For the visual style, I describe the kind of captions I want, large editorial style fonts, layered typography, kinetic text that moves with the footage, and a premium, almost cinematic feel. I also tell it to pull the accent colors directly from the video itself so the captions feel like they belong in the scene instead of looking pasted on top. Then I add instructions for pacing and motion, punch-ins, zooms, speed ramps, transitions, plus B-roll style overlays like icons and motion graphics that support whatever is being said. And finally, sound design. Whooshes, clicks, risers, all timed to the existing audio. Now you don't have to use this exact prompt. Feel free to tweak the color palette, the typography style, or the pacing to match your own footage and your own brand. Confident, the structure here is what matters. Describe what to preserve, describe the caption style, describe the motion, describe the sound, and Omni will follow that structure with almost any input video. Alright, time to actually run this. I head back to my Flow project and in the prompt box I click this plus icon right here and I select the video we just generated as the input. Then I paste in the editing prompt and click generate. Now we wait. And in under 90 seconds it's done. Look at this.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is basically teaching computers to learn and make decisions the way humans do, by recognizing patterns and getting smarter from experience.
The font colors, the effects, the typography, this genuinely looks like something a content agency would put out. Even the sound effects are timed perfectly with the audio. This is what Omni inside Google Flow can do, completely free in under 2 minutes of actual work. If this saved you from learning a single editing tool, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and share this with anyone who's been wanting to make their content look more professional without spending a rupee. I'll see you in the next one.